I'm gonna do a quick review on these packing cubes. Really good for travel. This is one here. Good zipper. You can expand it. Pack whatever you need in it. Folds up really good. Comes with several of them. Four larger ones and 2 small ones. Throw your shoes in here or whatever else you need. Got a little handle on each one. Like I said, a little packing cube to go in your luggage. Keep everything separated. This is my wife's. She likes them, so she uses them anytime we going on vacation somewhere. Like I said, I have several larger ones. 4 larger ones and 2 smaller ones. Like I'm guessing for shoes. That's what I think she used for last time. But if you're interested and you're looking for some good packing cubes, check these out. Works really good.